What's up, guys? We have some news for you. We have a new family member. No, I'm not pregnant. we got a new car!
We decided to take a new lease, so this is definitely not impulsive. We've been talking about this for a while now. I think this is our first big purchase together.
The reason that we've decided to lease a car is first, our current car is already aging. He's had it for 5 years.
It's definitely out of warranty. As you guys know, we're from Winnipeg, so the car came from another province. So reselling it here in BC would be quite a loss. Because, you know, as a car buyer from BC, you definitely want to check out like if there's rust under the car. Definitely because the car was from another province. There's a lot of snow, there's a lot of salt. I guess we wanted to get as much value of it right now rather than later. And lastly, we definitely need a bigger car because sometimes when we go out and we needed more storage in the car, the Corolla doesn't really fit.
Yeah, so we have to contact our friends or family who has bigger car if we can borrow it for a few hours.
We're kind of in the midst of like preparing for if we wanted to have kids in the future, then definitely that's a good option to have.
So enough talk.
Come join us as we pick up our new car. It's time to pack up.
Goodbye, car. May isang malungkot dito. Ayan, ito po yung basura namin sa kotse. May tubo pa.
Ay, sa GPS pala.
Basta ilagay mo lang ng lagay dyan sa box. YouTube, pillow, like and subscribe. Yung finger ko. Woo! Maglinis ka! By the way, you didn't know, we named our car Iggy. So, this is our blue car, Iggy. Say goodbye to Iggy! Ow!
All good? Good to go?
We're on our way to pick up the car. Goodbye, car. From Winnipeg to Vancouver. Thank you for bringing us in Vancouver. Been part of our journey. You will always be with us in our hearts. You will always be remembered.
A few moments later.
Turns out,
We can pick it up today.
oh no! Unfortunately,
Yeah, there were some issues with the paperwork and we have to come back on Tuesday to pick it up. Wah, wah, wah.
2 more days. Today's the day.
Today's the day!
We're picking up the car.
We're on our way to Toyota again. Sunday would have been the perfect day to pick up the car because it was all sunny, blue skies. Today it's quite cloudy, but still good.
We got off work an hour early just to pick up the car today.
Because we still gotta file the paperwork, the insurance, and everything, take photos.
We
We got the car!